Yo, what's up, guys? Mr. Sadiq here, and I know I haven't uploaded in a while, but I'm sorry about that because I got a lot of things. But today I'm going to be showing you how to install adblock for YouTube and just adblock in general. Oh yeah, and I forgot to tell you, it's free, no viruses. Only works on Google Chrome though. Alright, so what you gotta do? Alright. If you already have it installed, then you don't really have to use it. You don't really have something installed or something. Alright, so here, let me just delete this because I forgot what it was called. What you're going to want to do, Chrome Web Store. You're going to have to search that in, and then look for this one, Chrome Web Store and Google Chrome. And then the right one should be this. And then you search adblock. And then these are the ones that you're going to use. Adblock for YouTube. And then it's going to say install, but I already have it. And then just adblock instead. It's just going to say adblock. There. Yeah. And that's so before I end the video off, I'm just going to go on Roblox and show you something. Oh yeah, that's not what I meant to do. That's also how you install Roblox Plus, for those of you who want it. Roblox and then Plus. There. Yeah, if you're downloading it, make sure it's by WebGL3D. And that should be the logo. If the logo changes, it might still be that logo and take a little bit to update, because when the logo changed to a Cheez-It, it still was the Roblox R. Let me just show you. Yeah, it still was that. It took a couple weeks to change. So if that's the thing, yeah. Bye.